How can I effectively manage FBA customer reviews? Effectively managing customer reviews for Amazon FBA is essential for maintaining a strong reputation, improving product performance, and increasing sales. Reviews are a major factor in Amazon's ranking algorithm and heavily influence buyer trust. A well-managed review strategy not only helps boost conversion rates, but also provides valuable feedback to refine your products and customer experience. The first step is to monitor reviews regularly using your Seller Central dashboard or advanced tools, like Helium 10's Review Insights. Keep track of all new reviews and analyze trends, such as repeated feedback about packaging, product quality, or delivery time. Addressing these issues quickly helps prevent negative reviews and shows customers that you genuinely care about their satisfaction. Next, engage with customers professionally. For positive reviews, express gratitude using Amazon's Request a Review feature or automated follow-ups. For negative reviews, remain calm, empathetic, and solution-oriented. Reach out through Amazon's official communication channels to offer refunds or replacements when appropriate. Avoid violating Amazon's review policies by never offering incentives for positive reviews. Focus instead on genuine customer satisfaction. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to monitor, analyze, and manage your Amazon FBA customer reviews effectively like a pro.